Welcome to our in-depth look at Hostinger's AI Website Builder. Today we'll explore what this tool can do for you and how to make the most of it. First up, let's dive into the key features of the AI Website Builder. This tool boasts intelligent design suggestions, user-friendly templates, and a streamlined setup process. Now, here's a walkthrough of the user interface. As you can see, everything is neatly organized, making it simple for you to get started. Let's go through a step-by-step process to create your own website using the AI Builder. It's easier than you might think. Customization is key. Hostinger offers a variety of templates and design adjustments to ensure your website is unique to you. Want to take it a step further? Let's look at how you can integrate advanced features such as SEO optimization, e-commerce capabilities, and more. Here are some tips to optimize your website for performance and usability, ensuring your visitors have the best experience. Ready to go live? Let's go through the final steps to publish your site successfully. If you need help along the way, Hostinger provides plenty of support and resources. Here's where to find tutorials and community assistance. In conclusion, the Hostinger AI Website Builder is a powerful tool that simplifies website creation while offering plenty of customization options.